Hello students. The NEET exam for this year was held on the 12th of September 2021. More than 15 lakh students appeared for this year's exam, which is quite a big number. The results, as well as the list of newly enrolled colleges for the same, shall be out very soon. But before that, let's have a retrospective look at this exam. Out of the 16 lakh registrations made, more than 95% of the students appeared for the exam, which is quite a big number. More than 9 lakh of these students are female, which is quite a great development. In fact, Kerala boasts of the highest male to female student ratio. For every one male candidate, Kerala had 3 to 4 female candidates. Another very good development comes out of the region of Jammu and Kashmir. The Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir saw a turnout of around 33,357 students. As far as the number of seats are concerned, there are 1,63,347 seats for the various medical disciplines, and out of that, 83,057 is for MBBS. In fact, the number of seats is only going to grow by more than 900 seats in both the private and the government medical colleges. These are some great developments that are coming out, and these only point to a bright future. Students, regardless of what score you get, you do not have to stay back in the race to get your dream medical college. For expert guidance, counseling, and complete admission assistance, you can contact us. Feel free. The details are on the screen.